Mukanzera mune fire yakadai. No. I think about empty pipe. Chisababatisa, Gukula, Izenzo, New Zimbabwe, New Beginning, New Zimbabwe, New Beginning, Chisambamatisa, Chinja, Maitiro, Ezoko. Ukaona slogan ya pfumba kusvika payasvika kurakidza kuti ngoma yapfumba, ruyo rwapfumba, musangano wapfumba. FDC iri muhana dzevazhinji munyika, iri mupfungwa nemundangariro dzevazhinji. Ndosaka muchiona ZANU-PF inoziva kuti hakuna chazezesa kunze kwebato rimwe chete, bato revanhu, the People's Party, FDC, yamunoziva here. Allow me kutenda mkuru wepati akaitanga Dr. Richard Morgan Tsvangirai. Makansela zvakakodzera kuti tinge tichipedzera pano. Engineer Mzuri. After 2 days of a historic event and development, pano ndo pamusha mukuru yainzi Harvest House takaichinja yakuti Morgan Tsvangirai House, kureva kuti muridzi wemusha akautanga nebuilding inofanira kunemwa in honor of him. Manga mchizviziva here kuti pano ndo paishandira Herbert Chitepo mu3rd floor. Vari lawyer machambers avo anga ari pano munguva yerudisha. So this is a historic building. Great people like Herbert Chitepo, Morgan Tsvangirai vakatisira torch yekuleader and yekuleader in an excellent way and excellent manner wherever we are at. So tobva pano ane takatangura the gospel of smart cities, the gospel of smart villages, smart communities. Kumaruwa tinoita anonzi smart communities where we are leading differently because takuda kuunza an alternative kugara kwevanhu nekurarama kwevanhu must show kuti vari kutungamirirwa neruoko rune simba, ruoko rweMDC. So chibva pano, I'm sure you are all emboldened to make sure to create the gospel ye change. Don't change yourself before you change others. Vazhinji munokanganwa mobva mati pari kubuda mvura pachitubu ndo panofanira kunge pane uswa unyoro. Uswa unyoro ngauwe kunodiridzwa nechitubu. Navachitubu hachizvidiridzi. Chitubu chinenge chichirwara hangazi kuti sindebere kuti mukudi. Umtobogulai. Yes. You'll be sick if you begin to look at yourself. Councillors must be the last ones to think about themselves. Think about the people you lead. That is the better definition of love. You don't think about yourself. You think about others. Pansoro Mzuri. Some minister wedu isa tina local government yet tina devolution and local government. As you know, in our government we have no more than 15 ministries, one of which is devolution and local government. We are emphasizing local government and devolution. We want decisions to be made where they are enjoyed and where people benefit from them. So Minister of Devolution and Local Government, in terms of our party, our Vice President Aripano, my core and leadership assistant in committee, I will not go into my details. Maita chikuru nas, masaina, wirirano, a covenant with the party. Kuti taakunoita zvimwe zvinhu. Pese pane mhiko pane murayo. Pese pane mutemo pane demo. Pese pane kusainwa zvakuti pane kuparara kwemunhu kana akateera signature yake. Zvino vamwe kumutemo tinene caveat subscriptor. Signer beware. Ukasaina usina kuerenga unokondererwa nesignature yako. Na signature inyoka chikara chinokuparadza. I hope you read what you signed for. You are signing for loyalty to the cause. You are signing for loyalty to party values. You are signing for loyalty to the citizen values and engagement with the residents to say that we will serve the people to the best of our ability. So it's not something that is out of the ordinary. The solemn declaration is to say when we then choose to say, you are not walking the path of change, the path of smartness, you have to pave way for those who are working according to our dictates. You will have to comply. That's what you are signing for. You are signing for the real change code of ethics and values to say these are the values that bind us. You can never be MDC if you are not free from corruption. It's possible to lead people and not steal. It's possible to lead people and make a difference in people's lives. Local authorities, Kumaruzeva, and in urban areas. The Antimerenga report this morning. Harare, Yakatangamna 1890. 1890 pailia kola meao kunele 500 men. Waganga wapua promises of gold and ounces of gold in that regard. First year, Harare and must spend 2,544. And I got parceled out. The first must spend. He said that should have been Methodist ikapuwa kwetu 1893 kuti ivake zvaifana kuvaka. Ndokuti ama developers anzi toda kuti expand Harare iende kuna Rusape, iende kumazowe, ite vana Beatrice dzinge dziri part of Harare. Ma developers akaramba akati kure hatisi kudeko. But because vanga vasiri kuona the growth and expansion of the city, Harare yakaita a municipal town in 1897. And the first suburb was Mbale. But when I showed that, so they introduced the heart tax in 1896 to force people Maruzeva kana usina mari heart tax unouya kupi kudhorobha. Wauya kudhorobha waakushandira kudhorobha. But you see vakabva vatambura futi nevanhu vanga mudhorobha ndobva vaintroduce made ma 30s 40s and Vagrants Act. Yokuti kana waiwanikwa uri mudhorobha usingashandi waidzorerwa kumusha. Vaiginya hani makonzerwa dzokera kwachiota dzokera kumbare kwagutu dzokera kuchorocho. It's the same thing for Bulawayo. But the point I want to make, my Rhodesians akatanga the cities Bulawayo and Harare were visionaries. Do you know what Bakatanga 1890 kuno? They did nothing. But by 1898, railway yanga yawakwa Gokbera kusuka kuno mwana. Almost 9 years. Muno road yogenda kumasvingo. Chiko wako every election. Every election no wako. Chitungwiza Harare railway. Yatakuza it's possible. We don't need to spend 6 months. Ne metro train. Inokutenderera ma major suburbs every day. Man, I find to drive a private vehicles. You go to Stockholm, you go to Denmark, you go to modern cities. They don't have to struggle. But you drive a motor car. It's a hassle. Ukamina train is faster, it's more convenient, it's more exciting because these are Wi-Fi enabled trains. So you are able to save and go on Google. Train. And it's also less cost. Because mchiba pano endai mune moto wekusumudzana kuchinja mafuta. Kwenda kuenda nemoto wokuda kuisa marasha ekunoparadza maguta. Tichibuda muno, Harare must never be the same. What do you want to see, Wamzu? Want to see clean cities. Want to see my streets are well labeled. Want to see my streets are green enabled. Want to see my roads. Want to see roads. Yes, never challenges, but let's have my partnerships. As we live here, let's go and change Kuchipinge Road District Council. Total a difference of quality life, a difference of the fuel of the MDC leadership. Chiza Baba Chisa? Chiza. Gukula? Izenzo? Gukula. Let's have smart schools. Let's have smart hospitals, clinics, wherever we are. Obulawai, into Tuziatu. Onto Tuziatu, now we want to see. Yes, you may not be able to do the factories because that's not your remit. But let's see Bulawayo being what it used to be. One of the smartest cities, well organized, well run, and of course, services being delivered in a proper manner. So want to see more amenities, conference facilities, not community halls, but conference facilities, animal recreational services, animal sports facilities for communities, basketball, tennis. Kwenda kuti munhu akasiyana akakura kwagutu, basketball ndakaiwonera muHarare. Ndofana kuiwonera muma local communities kwatinokurira. Otherwise, they be better than kids go and be swimming. But I used to swim in an ordinary river where it was crocodile infested. That's why I'm able to deal with crocodiles even up to this day. I would have been better maybe than Kirsty Coffin as a swimmer. But because those facilities were not available, but there are many others. Varikoko, Vanapita Dog, Manakara Break, Varikoko, Byron Break. The basketball, Varikoko, better than Wana Jordan. But we don't have those facilities in our communities. So let's go and build smart communities in our various towns and our various cities. Let's go back to Chitungwiza and make life different for the ordinary people in Chitungwiza. Masuwa nawe ZANU-PF. Imini munofana make sure that you are able to provide quality services. Vanoone kuti ichinja. Chinja? Maitiro? Chinja. Chinja? Maitiro? Chinja. Let us go back. Kwekwe. Tunoratiza. What are we naming our city? I'm very happy that my resolutions are made. How are we branding the city of Kwekwe? How are we branding the city of Kadoba? How are we branding the town council in Chipinge? What is the common issue there? Here are 5 critical projects that we are going to say, by next year, these are the deliverables in terms of the projects that we are going to deliver. Think projects, think development, think smart. Mashingo, what are you going to do for the people? Kuti vanotendeka kuti pane zvawakaita. Ukaona uri minister, semama minister nevamwe vama president, wakambopinda mugovernment kubva 1980 usina chaunopomerwa kuti chichakaitwa nekuda kwake. So 5 key projects for each town council. That's the call to action. And I will not develop my cities. What are the major projects in Harare, in Bulawayo, in Rua, in Marondera, in Bindura? Tunakuona those projects in Binga. The people of Binga have supported us through thick and thin. But what are we doing for them to make sure that we are rewarding their loyalty to the cause, their loyalty to democracy? What are we doing? We can't just behave like we are not the government. We are the government. Muno Harare Muno. Government EMDC. In Bulawayo, government EMDC. In Mutare, government EMDC. In Gweru, government EMDC. In Vicford, government EMDC. Show it. Government, you don't only require responsiveness to the people. Let us make sure that we do 5 critical things as I conclude. Number 1, guard our source of autonomy. Make sure that where we have won and conquered, we don't lose to anyone. Number one, guard your zones of autonomy. How do we lose our zones of autonomy? When we allow ourselves to be below par in service delivery, we lose that zone of autonomy. Local authority is a zone of struggle. Local authority is a zone of delivery. Local authority is a zone of making a difference. Shawane, we want to see the difference that you are making. In Bedbridge, we want to see the difference you are making. Gwanda, Mayor of Gwanda, we want to see, and I'm very happy. I saw what you have done with the street lighting there. Chirezi, they've done very well with their roads. That is what we want to see. Things that we are able to point at and say, this is a smart city, this is a smart community, this is a smart village. God was also for Number two, refuse to be swallowed. A lot of you are being swallowed. Let not the tail wag the dog must wag the tail. The tail is the city clerk, the technical people, the directors. You are the dog, you must bark. But the problem is that we have a dead dog, a sleeping dog, a dog that is not able to bark. Apart from barking, go and bite. Bite in a better way. You don't bite your own. You bite enemies of the struggle. You bite enemies of change. You bite enemies of service delivery. You bite enemies of accountability in communities. Be giants in your own right. Lead. Be able to resist being swallowed. Number three, be a credible alternative. Now, look at here. A credible alternative, what you do, councillor must be accessible. The councillor must be available. I was showing what Gombari report. Residents were being asked about accessibility of councillors. 80% say the councillors are not accessible. This was last year. I'm sure it changes now because of our change. 80%. They were saying our councillors are nowhere to be seen. 70% said we voted for a councillor not because we know the councillor, but because we trust the party that they come from. This is in the report. Now, when I would party about my and you know that. Kumsha kuni baba. Ne one. Binya wadi no para zamsha wese. So ma binya riba kata bandiro kumbira msiye muyao yuno mara. Abuno zokera mashule huko uzimba kwa muru zokera. Siya ubinya huko bagomba motora ubinya umesa kugomba mara. Mazoka leadership. Siya kuno isto tirana zokuno. Mazokera go and serve people. Be a credible alternative. We want our councillors to be accessible, available, and credible in their conduct. We have to be credible and alternative. Let's be credible. Number four, let's have alternative policies. Those are accompanied by the smart cities concept, the smart communities concept. Our programs, ideas, vision. Are we sustainable in what we are doing? Are we green in our policies? Election inodyiwa munhu anenge asari ndaika. MTC haidyiwe election muZimbabwe. Ndiyo inogona kuti idyiwe neZanu. Hakuna anodyiwa asina kutenda. We are the dominant party. Tendera yakwezi kwa mukwenda. MDC ndo party yawa. Bali mchenjere ma-councillors edu. Kundi munogona kuisa entry into our defeat if we don't cut our zones off. As much as the two is right. Let's cut our zones off. Let's be credible. Let us have credible. Toka kutaura gani? Mlima pesa. Mawasmati kana madam. That is what we want to see. Last but not least, let us embrace technology. Let us embrace technology on WhatsApp, on Twitter, on social media, Instagram. You have to be a modern counselor. Embrace technology. Be a digital citizen, not a digital foreigner. Vazhinji venyu muri strangers to technology. Born before technology. No, let's go and build our capacity as counselors in technology. So tunakuona bill, arifanya kuzimnari mkiwa au kwa bill. Let there be online billing. Let us see online graphs zinoratidza refuse collection. Let us see payment rates inoitwa online, the payment system. Let us see my digital systems ekuzama residents ari munharaunda through a digital registry. Kusaku kunogara ningi. Tinevana vakati toplana. Urban planning is based on data. Let's have data and statistics. Makansela don't make decisions without statistics. Timema figure. Don't pass on technical team. Let's have figures. Data is the future. Data is how we're going to lead. Be modern. Embrace technology. Are we together? Yes. Are we agreed? Yes. Todzokera tunoroa basa. Tunokutenda makansela. We are proud of you. We know that with makanselas and ekabas, hakuna muna anosarudzwa asina chaanacho. Unosarudzwa because you are competent. And unaona zokuti uite mayor. Usafunga ni mayor title. Mayor is just a position, but your proposition. What are you able to give? Now ukaita mayor asiri mayor, unenge wakareruka. Mayor asiri mayor, uno mayor. Mayor from Rwanda. Uti mayor, we are lightweight. Uti. We are pepuka. Yes, we are pepuka sibi. So mayor ngara kizokune depth. Mayor ngara merengi. Mayor ngara kizokuno batanidza vanhu. The mayor must unite people. The mayor can be a leader of a group. He must be a leader of a team. Yes. There's a difference between leading a team and leading a group. Yes. When you lead a group, it's a rat-a-tat. But when you lead a team, it has goals, it has a particular code, it is a way of doing things, it is a shared goal. You lead a team. Unite people. Move with the people. A mayor must not just be an activist, he must be a leader. A leader defines a cause. An activist is defined by a cause. A leader must be able to be a thermostat. Govern the temperature in the room. Not a thermometer. Gauging the temperature. Saka vazhinji muri mathermometer mamuru. Zvirimo munhu zvinoenderana nazvo. A leader must change the direction and the temperature in the room. The temperature in our city councils. The temperature where we are leading. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud of you. Thank you very much for the love that you showed to the market. Thank you for continuing to be with this party. Thank you for being disciplined. Thank you for being loyal. We are expecting you to work. Nana Engineer Mzuri, our minister, actually did the process. He has been one of our most competent mayors when he was still mayor. He has a lot of experience. A great leader is able to lead out of the leadership of others. So kudzidza chinhu chakanaka. And my MPs atneti nawo shandaiwo nawo zvakadini? Zvakanaka. Musadhonzera ma-MP pasi. Ibe uchiona kuti akawira pasi musumudzewo mukanzera. Kwete kuti awa pasi ndotsika-tsika. Isa mbambatisa. Kukula. Izenzo. Aiwaka, let's get united, let's work together. We have a great party, a true builder. We want to be more in the rural areas. The next meeting we have, tunakuita meeting yotani ma councillors Kumaruzeva. Where we have a few, we must have the majority. But it can only be out of hard work, effort, focus, discipline, and loyal to the party. And we'll be able to do that. Kuma Eben, we must not lose. Where we have 28, we must have 32 out of 32. And we can only do that if we have changed our way of leading. This is a great movement. You are a great people. We cannot be smart without smart councillors. Go and lead. Go and make the change. Go and show the difference. And go and make us proud. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. And let's show the difference. Naona damzikuratana, naona reti zezi, vamzuri. Rahaba 40 chapters. Zadayaku zaide zuro. Could even if you are a very good counselor, you can't plan under this circumstance. Even if you are an effective father, mother, wife or husband, an educated intellectual nurse, doctor, teacher, when you are so organized, the state disorganizes you. Yes. When you are so orderly, the state is in the business of disordering you. When you are a member, you get dismembered by this regime. Engineer, because of how things are. If you don't struggle for water, you struggle for power. If you don't struggle for power, you struggle for petrol. If you don't struggle for petrol, you struggle for your cash. If you don't struggle for your cash, you struggle for your drugs in the hospital. If you don't struggle for if you are a pensioner, you struggle for your money that you have to then get out of the bank. You are struggling for everything. And Zimbabweans, this is what you must take as a message back home. Let's fight for our rights. Yes. Let us not wait for anyone to tell us to fight. It's natural to fight when you are being fought. Yes. It's natural to fight for freedom when you are being oppressed. Let's fight for our people's government. Let's fight for livelihoods. Let's fight to make sure that we liberate ourselves. That's not a country. You focus on the wrong thing. In other countries, talk with they are impeached with Dara. Because we're not president, now celebrate things. It shows you that he's out of touch with reality. But also his days are numbered. So go out there and lead. Go out there and show difference. Go out there and be our smart representatives. We are not there, but when you are there, we are there. And we thank you for the leadership that you continue to show. Those who are not doing things properly, amend your ways. Those who are doing well, excel in doing well. Yes. Those who are able to add something to communities, for smart communities, smart cities, do so that our party is going to be given the glory that it deserves. Thank you very much, Amshope. Congratulations for this wonderful event. This is the beginning. We will continue to do more capacity building, teaching of our councillors until we have a smart councillor who is able to provide smart services and smart solutions. Thank you very much. God bless you.